spMats makes it very easy to edit existing models. Users can open an existing model by using Open Project or by clicking on one of the files in the recent list. All the required editing tools are available in the left panel toolbar of the Select scope. Several commands can be executed graphically too. To move items graphically, select the items you want to move and drag them from the base point to the designated location. Similarly, the pick points on slab edges and vertices can be used to adjust slab dimensions. Individual vertical and horizontal grids can be added manually. The location of grids can be selected graphically or by entering the coordinates of the insertion point. It is also possible to reset the grid's labels using the Reset Labels command. Slabs command also allows adding of openings. Simply change the section type to opening and start drawing. Slabs can also be drawn one on top of the other. New columns can be added using the Columns command from the ribbon. To define new columns, click on the arrow right next to column label in the left panel to display Columns Definitions dialog box. Click New. Enter the column label. Select the type and enter the desired dimensions. Click OK in the Definitions dialog to save the changes. Notice that the new defined column is available in the Label drop-down menu in the left panel. Selecting the entire model shows all the selected objects in the left panel. Clear all selections except the columns and assign the new one. To add new area load, select the desired slab and enter the load value in the left panel. Various items in the model can be toggled on or off using the Display Options panel. You can also change the item scales and annotations. spMats also supports a multi-viewport environment. This makes it easy to view and compare two instances of the model together. Any change in one viewport is reflected in the other. When working with multiple overlapping slabs, the Arrange tool allows users to decide the order of slabs in case one slab on top of another. It should be noted that the properties of the slab on top are considered for solving the model. Openings are always on top regardless of the order they are drawn in. Thank you for watching. Please visit StructurePoint.org for more information.